सोचूं कि मिलनी ते बोलांगा कि
It is the love story of sun and moon which never meet.
जिंदगी में गम बहुत है।
कहते हैं केड़ी मंजिल केड़ा किनारा, कोई ना इत्थे कोई ना सहारा। टाइम आते पता लगे केड़ा अपना केड़ा बगाना।
इश्क दी गलियां च खोया है दिल वे, आस लगाए के जाए तू मिलवे। कोल मैनू कोल तेरे मैनू आण दे सोनी, करा मैं कितने जतन। दूरों दूरों मैं वेखा तैनू सोनिया, दूरों दूरों मैं वेखा।
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You sang a very beautiful song. So our next participant is Khushi. So please hand over the mic to Khushi. Hello Khushi, how are you feeling?
Nervous.
Nervous. So what are you going to do for us today?
Today I represent the शायरी
Okay.
for all of you.
Please.
मैं जो शायरी बोल रही हूँ ये मैं ज़िंदगी के ऊपर बोलूँगी. Today I represent a शायरी for all of you because you all are my friends and classmates. So let's start. मैं आज सबके सामने ज़िंदगी पर शायरी स्टार्ट करूँगी. ज़िंदगी में गम बहुत है, ज़िंदगी में गम बहुत है.
वाह 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 वाह.
मुस्कुराना सीख लो, हर दर्द छुपाकर दिल लगाना सीख लो. रह जाएगा साथ यादों का खजाना, लोग बदलते हैं वक्त के साथ निभाना सीख लो.
But still they are together forever. So it is like this. In the twilight I see the sun on his knees yearning for thee, and the moon shining bright, the glowing crescent sky in the love holds inside. The gaze of soul we see with every beat, Luna's love is imposing. Light and shine and live the life, in eternal splendor we shine, the stars forever ending. In the cosmic sea, forever free, soulmates in loving dance, heartstrings of the universe, let them shine and rhyme, heavenly beauty shines. In your flames, I see my face, in my nights, feel my heat. Your rays search for my soul, with every dawn I retreat. You make me shine, leaving dull nights behind. You are my harmony, forever on my mind. Giving me the power to survive, you're divine. You know you are my harmony for life, with you my heart beats in rhyme. You don't let me come near you, firstly made me sad, but I knew. You had the fire, and you are scared. You've heard the one who resides in your heart, how great. You touch me by my soul, the warmth I need, and there we go again, in the cosmic sea, forever free. Soulmates in loving dance, heartstrings of the universe, let them shine and rhyme. Heavenly beauty that shines. And I tend to the many things you make me think when you get down on your knees. The butterflies I get, my tangled heart just soars with you by my side forever.
On to our next participant who is Payal. So welcome Payal. How are you feeling? What are you? Okay. So what are you going to do for us today?
So recently I've started a book and
Great.
the book name is Love, Hope and Magic.
Okay.
And there is few lines which I like about it and I will share those.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
I get surprised when you ask me about love. I get surprised when you ask me about love. I have learned about love from the books in your eyes. I found love in the sound of your heart. I found love in the sound of your heart. I have written love through the word of your soul.
Thank you so much.
Few lines of
What a lovely lines. What a lovely line. So we will continue with this session. So again next time. So stay tuned till then. Thank you so much for having us on this show. Thank you so much. Our first contestant is Neelam. So I'll ask her some questions, and if she fails to answer them instantly, she had to do something. So I'll start with my question. Okay, it's time for the most interesting part of the segment, rapid fire round, in which one have to give the answers without thinking. Quick answers and quick questions. If someone's failed to do so, he had to do something. Let's see who is the most quickest, wittiest and funniest person, and if he fails, he had to do something for us. So our first contestant is Neelam Sharma. Please give a big round of applause for her. So here I'll start now to play this game.
Really excited.
Okay, so here you go. Your first question. What's your go-to comfort food?
Rajma chawal.
If you could learn any language instantly, what would it be?
Spanish.
Who is in class is most likely to become famous?
Yashika.
What's one book you think everyone should read?
The Alchemist.
Okay, great choice. Which college event did you enjoy the most?
The Freshers, the most recent. I loved it.
Yeah, it was great.
It was really fabulous.
Yeah, totally. I loved it too. What's your hidden talent?
I actually can dance. Of course, I'm not good at it, but I can dance.
When we are going to have your performance?
Very soon.
Looking forward to it. Would you rather perform on stage or watch from the audience?
I would love to be an audience because I am very anxious to go on stage. That is why I would love to be.
Yeah, most predicted answer from you. If you could swap places with a professor for a day, what would you do?
I would just have fun with it. I will ask everyone to sing and perform for me. Yeah, that is.
Yeah, that would be very fun.
funny.
Yeah, what's your favorite word in any language?
My favorite word is I cannot think of it.
Favorite word in any language?
Serendipity. It means that something happening that is not very intentional, but it happens. It's a good thing that happens to you unintentionally.
Yeah, kind of cool, na?
Yeah.
Team coffee or team tea?
I would say team coffee. Sorry, team tea.
Caffeine addicted. If you could have any superpower for a day, what would be?
I would want to read everybody's mind. That is like a very fantasy of mine. I want to read somebody's mind.
Getting dark secret of everybody. Yeah. What's the funniest thing that ever happened in class?
कुछ नहीं हुआ funny though.
Now tell me something like that happened. Embarrassing, you would say.
Embarrassing.
Yes.
You asked me to do something for the camera and I was not really prepared and I freaked out in front of everyone. That was really embarrassing.
Yeah, for me as well. Which movie do you think everyone should watch at least once?
I think Dead Poets Society. I watched it recently and I loved it really. And I think you should watch it. And it's majorly about how art changes our life, and other things are also important, but art is also important. It's very important to the people and they should watch it.
I have to watch that movie now. If you had a time machine, would you visit the past or the future?
I think I will visit the future. Past, I already know what happened. I would like to know what happens in the future.
Yeah, past is all about regret.
Yeah.
What's your favorite translation or language joke? Yeah, like anything related to language you feel funny in Pahari or in Hindi or in English. I think that thing is funny.
I don't know. I don't remember anything like that.
You are from Tisa, right?
Yeah.
You have some slangs over there you would like to share?
We have slangs.
Yeah.
It's very similar actually. The thing is that the slangs in other languages like Pahari or the language that people of Kangra or Mandi etc. speak, the slangs are very similar.
Would you like
so it's not something very peculiar. I can't even remember anything. I am not the slang person.
So you like to share some section how you speak?
Okay, so I will introduce myself in Churai. That is my language, mother tongue. अच्छा रोक दिया, पॉज किया नहीं. अच्छा तो मेरा नाम नीलम शर्मा आऊँ एडे धर्मशाला पर थी कॉलेज में सेकंड ईयर जामिना मेजरा इंग्लिश जर्नलिज्म.
Oh, kind of cool, huh? Pizza or momo?
Team momo.
Yeah.
It can pizza can never be better than momo.
What's a word you keep mispronouncing?
Mispronouncing, I would say. I'm very good at pronunciations actually. Not that good, but yeah, decent. I do decent, so no.
No. Okay, what's your favorite fictional character?
My favorite fictional character, I can't think of something.
She won the round, है ना?
I never use.
Okay. Texting or talking?
Texting, of course.
Okay, so now you have won the round. So give a big applause to her. Please.
Thank you so much.
She don't have to do anything now. We will pass on the mic to our next contestant, who is Chaya. Please welcome her. So, Chaya, how are you feeling?
Really anxious.
Anxious. So, what do you think? How are you gonna do?
I think it will be good.
Okay. So, let's start. What's your favorite fictional character?
Neither nor.
Nor?
No.
If you could bring any historical figure to your classroom, what would be?
None.
Nine. If you could travel anywhere right now, where would you go?
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Oh, very nice place to visit. What's your favorite most used emoji?
Bowen.
Bowen. What subject would you add to the curriculum if you could?
Chinese.
Chinese. Oh,
I love that language.
You want to
Yes.
learn that language. Early know something you know in Chinese.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Yeah.
Me too. Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Early bird, yeah. If you had to eat only one cuisine for a month, what would it be?
Dal, chawal and chutney.
Oh, Indian cuisine.
Yeah.
Top notch. What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
Sleep.
Sleep. Yeah.
The
Sleep.
one thing that is very cool and good.
Yeah, it's healing.
Yeah.
What's a song you secretly love to dance to?
Nor neither. I don't like songs.
You are not a dance
Yeah.
person?
No.
If you had to swap life with anyone in class for a week, who would it be?
No one.
Expected answer. What's your favorite festival or holiday celebration?
After Dashera, our Gorkhali festival comes. That is Dasai, and we. Sorry.
Continue.
फिर से बोलो.
नहीं, continue.
Okay. So when our favorite festival comes, that is Dasai, and we receive money, and we apply tika and receive money. That is very cool that we have so much money that time.
Yeah.
Favorite festival.
That's so fascinating.
Yeah.
I want to celebrate that too. What's something on your bucket list?
To go Kedarnath.
Kedarnath. Oh, nice place. What's the best advice you have ever received?
Neither.
Neither.
No.
Beach trip or a mountain trek?
Neither.
Neither. You don't want to go anywhere. Like
No, I love hikes,
hikes.
but I sometimes don't like it because of sweat and
yeah, it's very
dirty
tiring.
mountains and all.
Yeah. What's the weirdest habit you have?
Sleep.
Sleep. Oh, you are
Yeah.
a sleep person. If you could master one skill instantly, what would it be?
Can you repeat that?
If you could master one skill instantly, what would it be?
To speak many languages.
Yeah, that's so cool, nah?
Yeah,
You can understand anything and
Yeah.
speak anything. What's your favorite cartoon? Childhood cartoon?
Shin-chan.
Shinchan. I love that too. Shinchan,
Very
you
precious
know.
cartoon.
Yes. Who inspires you the most?
Me.
Me. Yeah, you need to have some self-love.
Yes.
If you were a fictional villain, who would you be?
I don't like fictional stories and
Oh, so
yeah.
what's your guilty pleasure?
Neither. No.
Okay, sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Sunset, yeah, that's
Love the view.
beautiful. What's a food you think is overrated?
Rajma chawal.
Rajma chawal. Oh, I think Neelam is hurt.
I love my Gorkhali food.
Oh, so you can
Yeah.
tell us about something like some dish.
Aloo ki chutney
Huh?
and aloo ki chutney
Aloo ki chutney.
and also masu and also momos.
Oh,
The homemade
cool.
momos and the homemade momos, that is like super fine atta filling. Filling is like lauki and that
cabbage one. It looks very delicious. Very delicious.
When
The
you are
homemade
bringing
one.
that for me,
Sometime.
so I'm like, please.
Okay, I'll bring it.
Please. Thank you so much. Okay, next, which college group or club would you join if you had unlimited free time, like in sports or something like that?
Basketball.
Basketball.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I recently played in clusters in 12th,
Okay.
and we were third. I was very disappointed that time, but still we came third.
Yeah.
It was okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you expected something.
Yeah,
Like
we were expecting first
first
position.
position.
We were fighting with the Kandrodi team, so they were very good at it.
Okay.
Our girls were very anxious and not good.
Nervous. Like,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. What's your biggest pet peeve in class?
What?
Pet peeve.
What is that?
I don't.
That makes that amazing.
Yeah, like you find it very
Neither.
cringe or
No.
something. Okay, if you could write a book, what genre would it be?
Army stories.
Army stories. Yeah, they are very cool
Yeah.
and romantic as well.
The
Like,
real army stories by the lieutenant colonels are very good.
yes.
I was recently reading the army stories Insomnia. It was really good, and the Hindi languages were used in that was very, very sophisticated words. It was like very good.
Oh,
I can't
nice.
explain it, but it was good.
I would also love to learn that sophisticated kind of Hindi.
Yes, you can.
Yeah, I have.
I'll give
to.
you that book.
Sure. Please. What's a fashion trend you never understood?
Gothic.
Gothic. Okay. If you could invent any gadget, what would it be?
Neither.
Neither. What's the most recent meme that made you laugh?
Neither.
Oh, so you are
No
not a
memes.
social media.
No.
Okay. If you could have an extra hour every day, how would you spend it?
By reading